Welcome to our honorable guest.
It's an honor to welcome you here at Sukma Bangsa Primary School.
Our honorable guest, Mr. Alan Roy Turino Gamiliola, the first candidate and vice consul of the Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines. Mr. Joseph Guillermo Gacho, representative of Fajar Hidayat.
Well, good morning to all of you. In the name of all students, teachers, and Sukma team, we would like to extend our gratitude for your coming to our school. We wish you enjoy the fascinating material with its tropical climate, friendly people, and the mutual listening.
To welcome you here in our school, we would like to present to you a traditional welcoming dance, Ranu Lampuan.
Please welcome with
Please don't need a round of applause.
Lalu Papua dan apa itu Jalagan. To officially welcome our guest, ini satu kali perform Taiwan. Lalu Papua recently demonstrated in the play accompanied the great ceremony, which are making himself to honor the guest.
The dancers can symbolically express the process, how they are prepared before they are ready to be served. The move representing the process of picking, selecting, and arranging the battery, and then following that they are present to the guest.